Okay, everyone, now we are here with the happy face of Arvin passed first time.
Yes, passed
first time. It feel like it. I passed first time, man. Never drive before when Arvin come to me. And now we are standing right in front of the center, as you can see in the background. Test center of Enfield. And Arvin have a happy face and passing first time. I give him a hard time to give a 3 mock tests. Unfortunately, he hasn't passed any of them, but that's not the whole idea that you pass or not. I want you to have the experience to see that what is the taste like of the exam and how you are nervous, how you're taking in control, taking a full responsibility, making your safe driver, making your decision making, doing the maneuvers, independent driving, same time dealing with those situations which you dealt with me all the time with my help, but you are doing in a mock test everything yourself. The people seen your first mock test which you done it, you was quite nervous, you made a mistakes. But from that you learn. So what is the advice you like to give it to the people? What is a mock test of mine and the actual test? What is the comparison you will do with them?
My advice is just pay attention to the road. Look at the signs. Always look at your mirrors. As long as you're not a hazard to any other vehicle and you're following everything by the rules set by the DVLA, and you follow Mo's advice, very important. Should be okay, and be assertive as well. Don't be too nervous. Everyone has their right on the road. So
excellent. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much.
If you don't pass with Mohammed,
Thank you, my brother. Thank you very much. Okay, brother. Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
See you, brother.
Thank you very much, brother. You're the best. You pass your student as well. So far we are here since morning, and we've seen about 8 people.
8 people.
Only you pass, and my another colleague, his student pass. So out of 8, 2 people pass. I'm not scaring people that you don't pass, but you pass because you need to deliver yourself safe driving. Examiner have taken you a similar route which we have done practice, very same route, but it makes you much easier. Comparison about the mock test which I do, my mock test was harder than this actual test. Why? Because I don't speak to you. I'd let you do a decision yourself, but in the test, examiner make conversation, and they want to see that how you drive. They like to help you to pass because they want to see that you can be a safe driver or not. Because with the driving, you will get confidence down, and same time when you are practicing more, your motorway driving and other driving yourself, at that time your driving start. So how are you feeling when passing first time?
I'm really happy for myself, and guys, remember, always believe in yourself. Never doubt.
Never doubt.
And Mo is the best.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Mo is the best. Honestly,
thank you very much.
He is the best.
Thank you. I really appreciate. So everyone, happiness is here. I'm not going to sleep tonight from the Arvin because he passed. I'm sure Arvin is not going to sleep tonight. So the guys, if you don't want to sleep tonight, contact me. So I will make sure that you go and pass. In the meantime, all of you best.
Take care.
And speak to you later on.
Good
Bye
luck.
bye, guys. Good luck to all.